House Between Forest and Field is a contemporary residence designed by the Brooklyn-based firm nArchitects in Stanfordville, Dutchess County, New York. Built on a scenic 13-acre site located between a dense forest and an open field, the project explores how architecture can connect people with contrasting natural landscapes. The three-story house contains approximately 3,600 square feet of living space. Its narrow 27-foot wide form and barn-inspired silhouette reference the agricultural buildings common to the region. Large picture windows are carefully positioned to frame views of the surrounding forest, fields, and rolling hills while filling the interior with natural light. A defining feature of the design is its system of plywood-clad cores. These vertical volumes contain storage, kitchen equipment, stairs, a library, and mechanical systems. Acting like tree trunks within a forest, they organize the interior into interconnected zones without relying on traditional walls. This arrangement encourages visual communication between different levels and creates a dynamic living environment. The family chose a layout with bedrooms on the ground floor, allowing direct access to the landscape. Shared living areas occupy the upper levels, where the open plan strengthens connections between family members and nature. Sustainability played a major role in the project. The house uses geothermal wells for heating and cooling, renewable wood framing, cedar rainscreen cladding, and a modest galvalume roof. The extensive glazing reduces the need for artificial lighting and helps capture solar heat during winter. Today, House Between Forest and Field is recognized as an outstanding example of contemporary residential architecture, combining regional traditions, innovative spatial design, environmental responsibility, and a strong relationship with its natural surroundings.